Hello my dear students, I hope you all are fine and you are preparing for your coming exams. So as your tests are going to begin, so I want to give you one revision test. Okay, so it is your revision test paper. So I will give you each and every question explanation. Only 4 questions are here of 40 marks, but in unit test your question paper will be of 50 marks. Okay, so one by one each and everything I will explain. Okay, in exam before writing I will give the question paper before 10 minutes and I will explain it and I will clear all the doubts. Okay, so here it is the question paper. Fill in the blanks. Painted pottery was a particular feature of the dash age. Number 2. Some stone tools were used to dash fruits and roots. Number C. Since 3200 BC dash iron was used by humans. D. Dash are the remains of a prehistoric plant, animal or human. Okay, these questions are of 10 marks. Now I will come to the true and false. Write true or false. A. Homo erectus was a tool maker. B. The word lithos means old. Hagis is an almond shaped stone. The Iron Age followed the Mesolithic period. These questions are also 10 marks. Next one is multiple choice questions. Here you will be you will be given 3 options. You have to choose the one. Okay. The word paleo means new, old or modern. 3 options are there. Next, B. Iron implements were made in central Anatolia around 1500 BC, 100 AD or 1800 BC. C. In the beginning, the Paleolithic humans lived in trees, caves or none of these. 3 options. You have to choose one. Now D. The earliest evidence shows that the tool makers were women, man, both A and B. So 3 options are here. You have to choose the one. Okay, now next. Now the question answers. Answer the following. Write in brief about the Chalcolithic age. Okay. B. Mention any 2 features of the Neolithic age. Any 2 features you have to write here. C. What were the advantages of fire? Okay. D. Explain the term fossils. Okay. See students, these are the exercises and question answers from your book only. Book exercises only. But it is the choice of a teacher, then I can give you the question from the text also. In text question also I can give. Okay. So you have to prepare well because each and everything I have explained properly. So you have to revise the things properly. Okay. So you solve this question paper and you revise once chapter 1 to 3. Syllabus is chapter 1 to 3. I will write here syllabus chapter 1 to 3 only for unit test. Okay, 1 to 3. In I think old syllabus or somehow it has come from the JSR side, the chapters were given 4, lesson 1 to 4, but I have corrected that one. So only 3 chapters will come, 3 lessons will come. Okay, so prepare well and be safe at your home. Thank you.